Check it. Hey yo, what up? You are back for another video with DataZero. In this video, we're looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, AMC, GME, and SPY, giving you guys a technical analysis and predictions that you need to know as a trader and investor. And of course, this video is not financial advice and should not be taken as such. Please do your own research and due diligence before buying any stock or crypto asset. Now, with that being said, let's go and hop in the charts, the facts, the data. Let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you are back for another video with DataZero. In this video, we're looking at AMC, GME, and SPY. This video is not financial advice and should not be taken as such. Please do your own research and due diligence before buying any stock or crypto asset. With that being said, let's go and hop in the charts, the facts, the data, and see what we have going on. I am going to be looking at Bitcoin as well, just briefly looking at Bitcoin real quick, guys, giving you an update and prediction. So, Bitcoin and Ethereum still holding these key levels of support, still holding these higher highs. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the market leaders. Ethereum basically the leaders of the altcoins, and then Bitcoin a leader of all coins in cryptocurrency. So these are the two main movers that I watch. You guys can see that Ethereum had this big push to the upside in the last 4 hours. Bitcoin with a decent move to the last side in the last 4 hours, holding 50,000 on Bitcoin, and Ethereum holding 2.8K. So this is bullish for Bitcoin and altcoin. I actually do expect Bitcoin to go towards $53,000 and Ethereum to go towards $3,200 here in the very, very near future. And I do believe that the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency bull run that I've been predicting is still on track. So I just wanted to put that in the video and give you guys that quick little update. Now you guys can see that SPY absolutely had this massive push to the upside, breaking out of this pennant. First, we had this false break to the downside. I believe plunge protection team stepped in, big money stepped in, and we've seen this huge push to the upside. Two massive candles right now. So we had a candle here in the last couple hours of the market, and then of course here in after hours as well, pushing the market almost up to about $500. You can see that several stocks, including Nvidia, pushed up here in after hours. Nvidia had earnings, so that pushed Nvidia up to about $746, which was around its previous peak, which was its previous high. I do think Nvidia could open up and see a little bit more momentum to the upside, which will help the market move to the upside as well. Stocks like Apple and things like that that are holding up the market are also green, which of course is going to help SPY move to the upside as this AI and tech rally continue to drive the market much higher. So I do think that SPY is going to be pushing back to the upside in my personal opinion, based off everything I'm seeing here. 502, 503 is probably where we're going to see SPY starting to head tomorrow, heading towards those levels to test those as support and resistance, and then we'll see how they react during the live stream. Right now, it's too early to tell if they're going to reject or break through, so I will be able to tell you that during the live stream. So tune in 9:30, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this channel to get live updates and predictions as they do drop. We were able to identify this pennant and see this breakout to the upside. We can see that RSI is already starting to get very overbought on some of these lower time frames. So again, we're already starting to see these overbought levels come into very quickly. If we go ahead and zoom out, of course, on SPY, these levels are sitting very high on the weekly, and on the monthly RSI is getting pretty overblown as well. Weekly sitting at about 71 right now on SPY, and then on the monthly, if we go ahead and look at the monthly, you guys will see that the monthly RSI is in fact sitting at 66 as well. So pretty high levels here on these higher time frames, telling me that we're possibly nearing a top for SPY before we're going to need to see a pullback and either or a correction to the downside or an overall downtrend, in my personal opinion. So that's what we're looking at for SPY. Let's go ahead and hop into the meme stocks. I'm just going to quickly cover GameStop, and then I'm going to kind of focus on AMC stock. So GameStop, as you guys can see, GameStop did have a bearish day today. We talked about this in the weekly update and prediction. I told you guys in the first half of the week, you're probably going to see bearishness. You're probably going to see AMC and GME start to retest some of these lows, and we talked about that in the weekly update prediction, and that's exactly what we've seen. Now, GME is holding a good level. You want to see GME maintain above $13.25. That's the main thing for GME. 13.15, 13.25 is where we want to stay above. We really don't want to go much lower than that. GME has a sloping resistance that is in play right here. This sloping resistance, if we can break above that sloping resistance, we're going to see a pop to the upside for GME stock. Possible double bottom in play as well. Bottom number 1, bottom number 2. If GME breaks back above 1360, that's going to be confirmation of this double bottom pushing us to the upside. So we want to watch for that break above 1360 on GME tomorrow. That is going to be one of the main levels that we want to break above on GME stock. 1360, seeing if that is held as support. If it is held as support, you're going to see a push to the upside for GME, confirming that double bottom, pushing us up to about 14.25, maybe even 14.55 where this gap fill lays. So that's what I'm looking at for GME. I do think we are going to see a recovery. Of course, when in doubt, zoom out. We still are tracking with the macro, breaking out of the falling wedge. There's multiple gap fills back to the upside. Again, still tracking with the macro as far as the cycle psychology as well, putting in a higher low than the V-shaped recovery. So a higher low than this, which would be that higher low right here, which will lead us out of that depression phase and into our disbelief rally for GME stock. Now let's go ahead and move into AMC. Showing you guys what's going on for AMC, and then wrap up this video giving you guys the key levels and technicals that you're going to need to know for tomorrow and then the rest of this week. So AMC did, of course, also see bearishness in the beginning half of the week, like I did say on the weekly update and prediction, moving down to a low of $4.50. I talked about this multiple times during the live stream. I said that we were going to have to retest $4.50. That's exactly what we did, not once but twice. We tested it here and we tested it here. Also testing this sloping resistance right here as support. So we're testing that as support, holding that level once, 2, 3, 4 times. This is bullish for AMC to go test this upper level as resistance and support and see if we can break above that. And if we break above that sloping resistance here tomorrow, because this is when I'm expecting this breakout here tomorrow, I'm expecting AMC stock to have a breakout tomorrow. Not financial advice. I'm expecting a decent move to the upside for AMC stock tomorrow. So we're going to see AMC stock try to break above that sloping resistance, and then we're going to see a pop to the upside. And I think that's exactly what we're going to be seeing for AMC stock in my personal opinion. AMC is going to be moving towards that $4.80 and of course $5 range that we are looking for. I do believe that $5 is in the cards for AMC and will be in play very, very soon. I did announce that we would probably have a green after hours as well during the stream. You guys can see AMC's up about a percentage point here in after hours, getting a push to the upside like the rest of the market. So this is bullish for AMC stock. GME is also up in after hours as well. So this is bullish for GME stock. Both GME and AMC are setting up for a reversal. GME has this double bottom set up, but AMC has this more impressive falling wedge set up. And guys, let's not remember or forget what is going on with AMC stock. AMC has been green for the past 7 days. It has had 2 red days, locking in 2 red days just recently. 7 green days right here in a row. Now we're in this beautiful falling wedge, which is an indication of another uptrend. So we have this falling wedge breakout, which leads to an uptrend, and we're in another falling wedge, which is going to lead to another uptrend. And of course, when in doubt, zoom out. You can see that the super trend, we still have that buy signal in the daily time frame, which is extremely bullish. We do have a buy signal on the 4-hour time frame, which is extremely bullish. We have 4-hour MACD starting to curl up, showing that bullish momentum is starting to return. Ladies and gentlemen, I do believe that AMC is going to be seeing a breakout tomorrow. So you want to tune into the live stream to get all the technicals and news as they do drop. You can see that even on the daily time frame, alligator is starting to turn bullish. This is all very, very bullish developments for AMC stock. You guys can see basically the characteristics are changing. An uptrend is coming in my personal belief, and I think that AMC has bottomed and is going to start moving back to the upside. I believe we're going to see a breakout here tomorrow in my personal opinion when we break above this sloping resistance, and that's going to push us to about $4.80, possibly even $5 here this week. Again, not financial advice. So that's what we're looking at for AMC stock. Amy's revenge in the works. Let me know if you found this video informative by go ahead and dropping a like and pressing subscribe for more content like this. And again, I do live streams, short videos, and updates all the time, giving you guys 24/7 market coverage on the cryptocurrency market and stock market. So if you're interested in that, getting highly accurate technical predictions and updates, go ahead and press subscribe to this channel. And as always, y'all, I appreciate you. Stay safe, make money. Peace out. All right, y'all, that was the video. If you found it informative, go ahead and drop a like. Press subscribe for more content like this. And remember, you can check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more DataZero updates. The Discord right now is $50, but the price is going up. So hit me up if you want to get involved in the exclusive community, as well as get trades and analysis that I only post in the Discord. Our trades are 100% hitting right now. You guys don't have to take my word for it. You can ask the community during the live stream. But as always, man, I appreciate you guys. Again, it is $50 via PayPal or Cash App. Email link down in the description. Hit me up on my email to say, hey, I want to join the Discord. I also have a Twitter or an Instagram. You can hit me up. I prefer email. Just say, hey, I want to join the Discord. Once you make the payment via PayPal or Cash App, I'm going to send you the link to give you access. It's as easy as that. Again, price going up here near the end of the month into next month. So get on that before the price goes up. And I appreciate you if you watch the end of this video. As always, y'all, have fun. Stay safe. Make money. Peace out.